DJI Mavic 3 First Use Guidelines. In this video, we will show you how to use DJI Mavic 3 for the first time. Unboxing. Open the box and remove DJI Mavic 3 and its accessories. Downloading the app. You can scan the QR code on the official DJI website or on the package to download and install the DJI Fly app. Preparing the aircraft. Remove the storage cover and unfold the drone's arms. Introducing the remote controller. Remove the control sticks from the storage slots at the bottom of the controller. Extend the mobile device clamp, and you will find the RC cable. The cable on the right with an RC icon should connect with the remote controller. The other end on the left should be used to connect your smartphone. Take out the connector from the left and unwind it to the right, making sure it's behind the non-slip pads of the clamp. The RC cable that comes in the box is a lightning cable. There are more connector options in the accessory kit. Place your smartphone inside the clamp. Tighten the clamp with the charging port on the right side, making sure everything is secure, and then connect the RC cable to your smartphone. Powering on, off. When using the battery for the first time, connect the USB-C port at the rear of the aircraft directly to the battery charger until the battery indicators are on, which means the battery has been successfully activated. If the battery power level is at approximately 50% or below, we suggest charging it up to 75% or above first, so as to provide enough power for the upcoming activation and firmware update. Press once and then again, and hold for about 2 seconds to power on the remote controller and the aircraft. If you want to turn off the aircraft and the remote controller, press the power button once and then again and hold for 2 seconds. Activating and updating. Launch DJI Fly and follow the instructions to activate the aircraft. A prompt will appear on the top left of the screen if a firmware update is available. Tap the prompt to enter the update screen and tap Start Update. During the update, do not power off the device or exit the app. After the update is finished, both the aircraft and the remote controller will remain powered on. Storage. Fold the aircraft arms. Attach the storage cover. And store the aircraft in the convertible carrying bag. You can also unfold the convertible carrying bag into a backpack, which provides more space if needed. Preparing for flight. Remove the storage cover. Unfold the arms. And securely install the propellers. Check the power level of the Intelligent Flight battery. Launch the DJI Fly app, and it will automatically enter the live camera view. Tap Safety and set Obstacle Avoidance Action to bypass or brake. And set the RTH height higher than the tallest building or nearby object. Flying basics. Before flying, choose an open, obstacle-free area. and place the aircraft on level ground with the rear facing you. Power on the aircraft. Check the battery level of the remote controller, power on, and set the RC mode to normal. Check the flight interface in the app. Confirm that there are no abnormal reminders and that the GPS signal is good. Tap the takeoff icon on the left and press and hold the prompt icon to enable auto takeoff. After takeoff, the icon will change to auto landing. Tap the auto landing icon on the left and hold to make the aircraft land automatically. To take off manually, using Mode 2 as an example, pull both sticks all the way to the bottom of the controller, and then push inwards or outwards. When the propellers start to rotate, gently push the left control stick up to manually take off. The left control stick is for adjusting the aircraft's altitude and orientation. The right control stick controls the aircraft to move forward, backward, and to the left and right. After you move the motors, if the aircraft has not taken off, push down the left stick to stop the motors. If the aircraft has taken off, push down the left stick to land. Press the flight pause and RTH button on the remote controller to make the aircraft brake. You can view flight distance and speed in the bottom left corner of the app. Keep the RC antennas facing the drone during flight for optimal transmission. When the GPS signal is weak, the compass encounters interference, or ambient light is not adequate for visual positioning, the aircraft will enter attitude mode and cannot hover or auto-brake. To avoid accidents, please land in a safe location as soon as possible. Taking photos and videos. Tap the photo button on the right and choose Photo, Video, or Quick Shots. The camera parameter menu at the bottom right can be used to adjust parameters. You can also adjust the gimbal pitch and control the camera by using the gimbal dial on the left side. Use the switch button on the front to switch between photo and video modes. Use the shutter record button on the right side to take photos and videos. Tap the playback icon on the bottom right to view and download your footage. Advanced RTH. Tap the RTH icon on the left side of the screen and hold. Or press the RTH button on the remote controller and hold to initiate RTH. As long as the ambient light is sufficient for the visual sensing system to operate, Advanced RTH will be automatically activated, and the aircraft will plan an optimal flight route to return to the home point. Safety precautions. Before takeoff, check if the flight environment meets all requirements and set RTH altitude. Don't forget to check if the propellers and battery have all been installed securely. Please note that the obstacle sensing system does not work in low light environments or during night flight. Always fly safely. Attaching the propellers. DJI Mavic 3 has two different types of motors, AB and propellers AB, that pair up. Attach the A propellers with the gray circle markings to the A motors with gray markings. Likewise, the B motors without the gray circle markings should go with B propellers without gray markings. Match the propellers to motors, press the propellers down firmly, and rotate to the lock direction. Remember to check that everything is firmly attached to ensure a safe flight. Thank you for watching our DJI Mavic 3 tutorial, First Use Guidelines. Enjoy your flight!